Today we're checking out this Corsa Performance oil catch can for the 2011 to 23 6.4 liter HEMI Chargers. This is one of those smart mods that isn't about looks at all. It's about keeping your engine running cleaner over time, especially if you like to drive your car hard, so it's definitely worth looking into. The whole job of an oil catch can is to trap oil vapor and junk that can get pulled through your intake system, and that helps keep things cleaner where you really want it clean. This oil catch can has a 3-ounce capacity, quick disconnect fittings, and that's going to make servicing it easy, and a bronze filter that helps prevent that trap stuff from making its way back into the system. You're also getting multi-ply reinforced hoses, so you're not dealing with cheap lines that are going to crack and leak down the road. The can housing is threaded and it can be easily accessed when it's time to empty it. It even comes with a beefy 11-gauge aluminum bracket to keep everything mounted solid, which is exactly what you want on a performance car that sees real driving. If you're planning to keep the charger for the long haul or you've got other performance mods already, this is the kind of preventative upgrade that really just makes sense. I would just recommend that after you install this, you drive it for a set amount of miles, like 500 or 1,000 miles, and then you check how full the reservoir is so you can get an idea for how often you're going to need to empty it for routine maintenance. When it comes to the construction on this, you are getting high quality aluminum catch can set up with an 11-gauge aluminum bracket, plus the reinforced hoses and that bronze filter inside the can. Aluminum is a great choice here because it's strong, it's not going to rust, and it holds up well under heat. And the heavier bracket is going to help keep everything secure and rattle-free once it's installed. Now, as far as pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in that upper $100 price range. That's a good spot for a quality catch can kit with strong hardware, reinforced hoses, and service-friendly fittings. Because the bargain setups can be a headache with weak brackets or leaky fittings. This is the kind of part where spending a little more upfront usually saves frustration and has a healthier engine in the long run. When it comes to the install on this one, it's going to get rated a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can get this job done in 1 hour of your time. Now let's see exactly how this install process works with a video from one of our AmericanMuscle customers.
These are the tools that I used: a 15mm wrench, a 2.5mm Allen wrench, and thread seal tape. First, I will disconnect the PCV line. Now I will be using a 2.5mm Allen wrench to loosen these bolts to connect the bracket. After you connect the bolts to the bracket, now you will connect it right here. Connect the bracket to this bolt that's already in the engine bay. Then you will take your 15mm wrench and tighten it up. Make sure it's in a secure spot. Also, when you're installing the bracket and catch can to the engine, make sure the 2 holes are in a reasonable spot to connect the PCV lines to the engine. Now you will get your sealant tape and wrap it around the screws that connects to the catch can. After you connect the connectors to the catch can, you will also connect these connectors to the ones that's already there. Make sure it's on tight so nothing won't leak out. After you connect the connectors, now you will take the PCV pipe and connect to the catch can connector to the other connector.
All right, that's going to wrap up our review and install of the Corsa Performance oil catch can for the 2011 to 2023 6.4 liter HEMI Chargers. And for all things Charger, keep it right here at American Muscle.